Hey guys, it's Christina. So I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys how you can save and make money this St. Patty's and actually year-round too. So if you've been on my channel for a while, you probably know that I use Ebates. I've used them for years. It's basically like a website that you use to go through to whatever other website you're gonna shop on, Victoria's Secret, Walmart, whatever, and it basically tracks it so that way you get money back. The way it works is basically like they're sending you to like say like Walmart's website or whatever, Amazon, like any website, you know, not just like fashion, beauty, you can buy anything like electronics. If you're buying an Apple MacBook that's super expensive, plane tickets, whatever, Amazon, like anything, you know, it basically sends you to that website that you're going to shop on anyway, and then it tracks it so that website is going to give Ebates a cut of the sale, and then Ebates is going to give you that cut so you get that cash back, and that's on top of any coupons that they have, which this weekend they're going to have a lot of coupons actually, like their cash back goes up. So let me show you. I'm going to link Ebates for you guys down below so you can sign up, and you get a $10 bonus when you sign up and make your first purchase. So like this weekend, all of their percentages are going up. Amazon is up to 5%, eBay is up to 2%, 7% cash back. All of these ones, they have in-store cash back as well if you want to go purchase something in store and get cash back. So that's really cool. Like Sephora, Bed Bath & Beyond, like that one you have to try things out, you know what I'm saying? And like Sephora, makeup obviously too, Best Buy, everything. Like I just went to Best Buy to buy some, you know, chargers and stuff like that. I wish I got cash back because I had to go in person and get it like right away. I didn't have time to order, which I just like stood up from my little chair. I'm just like all up in the camera. So like this one, for example, like focus, Groupon, like you click on that, 6% back, shop now, and it takes you to Groupon. Then you just sign in. Okay, so you sign in and then make your purchase, and then it's going to track your sale, and then you'll see it on your little Ebates list of things you've purchased, and it'll show you their cash back, and that's on top of the coupons that you get. So they have a ton of coupons, not just cash back. So if you look up like say Sephora, there's a ton of coupons here to save you some money, so that's another bonus. So this weekend, like I said, they're going to have more cash back for you because of St. Patty's. They usually do this for like Black Friday or like other holidays, but it's good to use year-round anyway. And also, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to have a St. Patty's sale on my website, which is, you can either go to k3chocolate.myshopify.com or KristinaUrribarres.com. It takes you there either way. So I have some merch. I have my metallic tops, like the silver, gold, rose gold. I have some Sagittarius stuff, my perfume, other merch. So check it out. I will link it down below as well. And I made a coupon code, which normally there's one for FAM15 that gives you 15% off any order on the website, but for this weekend only, we made a coupon called Lucky, all caps, and that's going to give you 30% off, which is a lot. Just saying, use it if you want on any order. There's no minimum at all. So I will link my website below for you guys and put the little coupon code so you can just copy and paste it at checkout. And there's also this little wheel which you can spin and get other coupons as well, but the most one, I think it's 25. Yeah, so the lucky one is even more. But if you don't buy anything this weekend, you can still get some coupons, but there's not going to be a 30% off one anymore, maybe until like the next big holiday or something. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that real quick, and that is it. I'm about to run and do the shoot real quick, and I'm filming during the day, and it actually looks pretty good with my ring light and the daylight, so I'm liking it. Let me know how you guys like the background and everything, or if you want me to film in the living room or in front of my bed or wherever, like what you guys prefer. But either way, since we moved, it's so much more quiet. Like you don't have the highway next to my window anymore, so either way I can still film, you know, in my bedroom. Like doesn't matter the background, it at least sounds way better, so I'm glad about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed too. If you're new to my channel, hit the little notification bell down there, check out my Shopify, and if you want to be friends on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you know, it's all at K3Chocolate. My new Twitch is K3Dance, and my Snapchat is Kristina Urribarres, so check it out. Also enter my giveaways that I have open, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.